Welcome to Top Picks. Looking for the best vacuum cleaner for carpet? We've got the top picks to keep your carpet spotless. Let's dive in. Number 1. Meet the Eureka Air C5 Upright Vacuum, designed to deliver exceptional cleaning power and effortless convenience for every area of your home. Engineered with powerful suction, it easily lifts stubborn dirt, crumbs, fine debris, and embedded pet hair from hard floors, area rugs, and thick carpets alike. True to its name, this upright vacuum is built as light as air, allowing you to maneuver smoothly around furniture and carry it up or down stairs without any heavy strain. For quick versatility, the vacuum features a detachable handle that instantly connects to specialized attachments, including a dusting brush and a narrow crevice tool. Use the crevice tool to deep clean tight couch cushions, baseboards, step edges, and hard-to-reach nooks where dust secretly accumulates. Meanwhile, the hose attachment effortlessly cleans upholstered furniture, tufted cushions, and fabric seating in seconds. Watch as the high-capacity dust cup fills up with fine dust, pet dander, and heavy debris, proving its impressive deep cleaning performance on every pass. When your cleaning session is complete, maintenance is completely hassle-free thanks to the easy empty dust cup that releases collected dirt directly into the trash with the simple press of a button. For long-lasting performance and zero replacement costs, the eco-friendly washable filter can be rinsed under water, dried, and reused time and time again. Light, powerful, and built for total home cleaning, the Eureka Airspeed NEU 10AE5 makes keeping your living space spotless simpler than ever before. Number 2. Welcome to the ultimate with the Kenmore Intuition Upright Vacuum Cleaner, a truly revolutionary, exceptionally powerful, and remarkably lightweight cleaning solution engineered from the ground up to redefine how you maintain a healthy, spotless living space. At the core of the Kenmore Intuition is its groundbreaking no-touch bag technology paired with an advanced allergen seal HEPA filter bag system. Standard bagless vacuums often release clouds of microscopic dust, dander, and allergens right back into your indoor air whenever you empty the dust cup, creating an unwanted dust plume and forcing you to handle dirty, grime-covered parts. The Kenmore Intuition completely eliminates that hassle. Thanks to its hygienic push-and-release mechanism, the sealed HEPA filter bag drops effortlessly straight into your trash can with a single touch of a button. Meaning no mess, no dust clouds, and zero hand cleaning required. Real users everywhere praise this cleaner cleaning process because it keeps trapped allergens, pet dander, pollen, and fine dust completely contained from the moment they are vacuumed until they are safely disposed of in the bin. But hygienic disposal is only half the story. The Kenmore Intuition is packed with cutting-edge engineering designed to maximize cleaning efficiency and airflow. Powered by a high-output 1,100-watt motor, it generates deep, relentless suction that penetrates deep into thick carpet fibers, area rugs, hardwood floors, tile grout, and laminate surfaces. To complement this intense suction, Kenmore's signature Power Flow technology actively compacts dirt and debris as it enters the bag. This continuous compaction means the high-capacity allergen seal HEPA bag holds up to 4 times as much debris as traditional bagless dust cups, allowing you to clean larger areas for much longer periods without ever having to pause to change the bag or empty a canister. Navigating around a busy household filled with furniture, children, and pets requires flexible mobility, and the Intuition delivers on every front. Its smooth swivel steering glides effortlessly around chair legs, under dining tables, beneath low coffee tables, and along baseboards. When you need to tackle above-floor areas or stairs, the vacuum transitions seamlessly into lift-up versatility mode. Number 3. Experience powerful in-tunnel cord rewind upright vacuum, built to make whole home cleaning faster and easier. Perfectly suited for every floor type, it seamlessly transitions from plush carpets to delicate hardwoods and tiled kitchen floors. Its extra-large dirt cup lets you clean longer with fewer interruptions, while the extended reach wand easily tackles high stairs, curtain rods, and tall cabinets. With specialized attachments for every mess, you can effortlessly clean baseboards, furniture, and couch cushions in seconds. When you are done, Number 4. Tired of pet hair, household spills taking over your floors? Say hello to the HYTVTY cordless vacuum cleaner, your ultimate solution for a spotless home. Driven by a high-performance 650-watt brushless motor that delivers an incredible 60 kilopascals of deep cleaning suction power, this vacuum effortlessly lifts embedded dirt, pet dander, and heavy debris from hard floors and carpets alike. Its intelligent full-color LED touch display keeps you in complete control, tracking battery life, power modes, and maintenance alerts in real time. Equipped with a V-shaped anti-tangle roller brush and a multi-stage 99.99% high-efficiency filtration system, it traps fine particles while preventing hair wraps. The massive 24,200 mAh battery offers up to 70 minutes of extended runtime, letting you clean your entire home on a single charge. Number 5. Carpet Washing Just4Pet Carpet Cleaner, the most powerful compact carpet cleaner designed to tackle life's messiest everyday moments. Whether it's muddy boots tracked in through the door, stubborn food spills in the dining room, or pet messes left behind on your favorite rug, the PowerDash delivers twice the cleaning power of leading lightweight competitors. At its heart, the high-performance PowerSpin Pet Brush Roll does the hard work for you, deep cleaning carpet fibers to extract embedded dirt, tough stains, and lingering odors with incredible ease. Thanks to integrated heat force technology, hot air is applied directly to your carpet, helping it dry significantly faster so you can get back to living in your home without waiting hours. Exceptionally lightweight and compact, this carpet washer maneuvers effortlessly through tight spaces and stores neatly in any closet or small nook. Pair it with Hoover's specialized cleaning formulas for maximum stain-fighting performance. Make carpet washing simple, fast, and remarkably effective with the Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner. Thanks for watching Top Picks Reviews. We hope you found the perfect vacuum for carpet. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for reviews.